ChatGPT is a super powerful tool that supports you in many areas of your daily business. But what is ChatGPT? Let's use my personal ChatGPT script in my terminal to get the definition. To do that, I write chat and then I send the request. Explain ChatGPT in one paragraph. Let's wait a second. And here is already the answer. ChatGPT is a natural language processing system that uses a transformer-based language model to generate human-like responses to user support. It is trained on large volumes of conversational data, allowing it to generate natural language responses that are more human-like than traditional rule-based chatbot systems. ChatGPT can be used to create virtual assistants, customer service bots, and other conversational AI applications. That's nice, right? And my script copied this answer already to my clipboard, and I can use it in several other applications like Outlook or PowerPoint. If you want to use ChatGPT in an application, you have to create first an openAI secret key. And to do that, you need to register here on the website platform.openai.com/overview, and you have to register here with and create a personal account. I have already an account created, so I can click on login. And then, after a successful login, I can click on Personal and View API Keys. And you see here in the middle a secret key. And this is exactly the key that we need now. And if you have created your secret key successfully, copy that key and save it for later use. So the next step is to clone or to copy my ChatGPT script from my GitLab. To do that, go to my GitLab, and then you can download my ChatGPT script. The link to GitLab is in the video description. Okay, these are the files that you need, and just clone it. Okay, and then we have everything what we need to start. I have cloned the scripts into a folder mychatgpt, and the main file that you need to use is mychatgpt.py. So you see it's a Python script, and you have to install several Python packages first. You see it in the file one install.sh. You see here that you need openAI, paperclip, pyaml, click, and rich. And you can just install it by running this installation script. Okay, but let's jump now to the myGPT file. And this is everything what you need. Just 74 lines of code are required here, and it's very easy. First one is that you have to import the Python packages, and then it's important that you load your openAI key. And due to security reasons, and also that I want to reuse the key in many other applications, I separated the key in an own dedicated file. It's openai.yaml, and I have created a template for you for that. Let's open this in another terminal. All right, let's see. Yes, it's openai YAML. You see it's like it's a configuration file, and here you have to replace this area with your openAI key, and then you define here in the original script the path to that configuration file. For example, you can store it in your home directory or wherever you want. Okay, the next is to load this configuration file. The first step is that I get my home directory back, and in my case it will return my home directory, in your case your home directory, and I store the config and load the YAML file, and then I can use the config array and the openAI and openAI key. You see it here, this structure, then in my openAI IP key variable. The model engine that we will use in that openAI request is Text DaVinci 003. And then the configuration is done. And after this script is loaded, I immediately open the send request function. And the first, what the send request function is doing is to provide a prompt and say, hello, how can I help you? Then after I've entered the request, the three dots appears, and then the openAI create request function will be called, and then this is the request to the openAI platform, and the response is then the answer from the ChatGPT and openAI API, and I print this response to the output. The next step is that I copy the response into my clipboard, and then I also offer to write the output in my ChatGPT log file. And that's it. Relatively easy. Yeah. Okay, and then let's see it again in action. I open chat. How can I help you? Define ChatGPT in one paragraph. I send the request. I get the answer. And you see it here, it's already in my clipboard. And when I, for example, jump to PowerPoint, I can just paste it here in, and I have already saved a lot of time, yeah, for me, for research, for the topic. Everything is done here by ChatGPT directly. So there are several scripts already out that you can use to integrate ChatGPT in your terminal, but I decided to do this script by my own because then I can customize it more easily. It's interesting to learn how to connect Python with the OpenAI and use it in my application. And as said, I can add additional features and functionalities that help me in my daily business. And I only can suggest you to learn it and see how can ChatGPT can help you in your daily work. Thanks for watching.